Welcome to Ubud, Bali, where the morning mist rises from the emerald rice fields, where the air smells like rain and fresh earth, and where the world feels just a little softer, a little slower, and a whole lot more peaceful. This is your home for your 8-day wellness retreat, designed to reset your mind, rejuvenate your body, and reconnect you with the version of yourself that you've been longing to meet. Detach from technology and attach to the things that are important. If you've been craving rest, clarity, or a break from the constant drain of life, this retreat was made for you. For 8 beautiful, intentional days, you'll step into a world where everything stops and slows down, and you get to refocus on the things that are really important. This is where healing begins. Nourish yourself from the inside out. Here, food is not just a meal, but medicine for the soul. You'll enjoy handcrafted vegan and vegetarian meals made from organic local ingredients, designed to nourish your body and amplify your energy. Every meal here is a gift, warm, colorful, and alive, just like the environment. Every day of our 8-day retreat begins with a 1-hour yoga session. This is accessible for all levels, guided by compassionate teachers who help you breathe deeper, move with presence, and feel the ground. But the real magic of the retreat is in the community of the people. You'll meet a small group of like-minded people who are also seeking growth, peace, and purpose. By the end of the week, these strangers will feel like family. If you've been waiting for the right moment to reset your life, if you're craving inspiration, healing, adventure, or simply a place to exhale, this is your chance. Join us for an 8-day relaxation retreat in Ubud, Bali, and give yourself the gift of transformation. Reserve your spot today. Limited spaces are available.